Good day, good evening. Now at the end of the year, this I be due to man wake up my tita. I wanna picking. This one today at the talk now pitching. And at the talk so because it involved a lot of Cameroonians, especially Cameroonians. This particular video now for Cameroonians. I want to talk about marriage law for Cameroon, especially because Parliament for the 23rd of December, they be again, they put down that particular laws again, especially when a civil status law, at the one talk now only that one civil status law will concern marriage, both civil marriage and customary marriage. Customary marriage when with bride price and civil marriage. Some confusion don't always dey for this thing, and where e find as way assembly don't bring am again up. But I want more to understand say this law no be new law. Na law wey e don be since 1968 for Cameroon, where customary law, customary marriage, wey involve paying of bride price, they recognize am the same way they recognize what we call am as say court marriage, when a civil status marriage. Now, we always feel say they never recognize those two things, but meanwhile they recognize them. But the difference na say most people they not be aware of the fact say when you don't pay your bride price, Cameroon they accept and say they don't marry you. But now some clause be there inside, and that thing where people not be know. Because when they married you, so they pay your bride price, you get to go back for civil registry. When I cancel, you go notify them so that they go transcribe them. Then they give you marriage certificate. They will transcribe them so that they register them for civil registry. When they register them for civil registry, then they will give you marriage certificate. Now, if it don't be so, but I want to understand say, if they go pay your bride price, when they don't pay your bride price, what's happen? I say, you no go notify civil registry, me they try for transcriber, me they try for put that into their system, then the marriage it never still be recognized by the government. Now the thing that will not be know. So now why that for this 23rd of December, again, government decide say, me they bring back that law, me they explain them for people understand them. For many people understand say, when they pay bride price when our custom, that's in a marriage already, automatically in a marriage. And state to the recognizer. But state want me you take responsibility. Because when I go to that marriage, when I do it for house, either when I go do it for the woman, the place, where most often they go do it for the where government don't know. But now, when I don't marry, when I get to bring them back for them, can show them say, we don't go marry for this thing, then they go prescribe, they go prescribe them. So now the thing that so they go put them for their system so that they will issue a marriage certificate. So this thing same way you go today, you don't go make traditional marriage. After don't spend money on traditional marriage, when I come again, so when I go make court wedding, when I go spend again another money for another party again for court wedding. Before when I want go again, say when I go for church for God bless them, it turn a different thing. So that expenditure too, it be done over plenty. Meanwhile, we just do an foolishness. What we do them? Where most people they do and they don't know saying a foolishness that because you don't already do them. Government don't already recognize them. But now you get to carry them. You go talk with pictures them too. You go talk with your master and the woman. When I go for day, even family member, because they're asking us a weakness of family member then. When I go talk. And just like the procedure then I say, when I go talk for them, then they go write until they go paste them for wall, for the civil church, for the council where they put on the. Then they'll go to a place where they be born you the man, and they born you the woman. They'll go paste and too for day. They go and make the announcement too for that side. So that within 30 days, if some person the way they don't like the marriage, or they feel say the marriage it not be correct, then the person if can't talk. If some person can object her, then they get within 10 days for go for court, for the president for court of first instance, now go take the decision whether the claim where the person give may be valid or not. If the claim no be valid, they go give you a marriage certificate one time. But if the claim be valid, then una get 15 days for appeal am. So now the thing that way I want to make we try for understand am, because this thing that will cause confusion. A lot of mami dem dey and brothers and sisters dem dey wey they don't marry, we don't go pay bride price for their head, but their master dem know the one go for court. Now this one now maybe woman they understand am very well. If you don't go make your marriage, they don't can pay bride price for your head. You mean the woman, the family, then to understand this. If una don't take money for bride price when una pikin a head, una too get to tell una pikin say go for council, una go register am for day one time. Because if the man then the way as some man they be very dubious, the one just can't pay bride price, then they decide for no go for get certificate. Why? Why you get to get that certificate? You get to get that certificate when I go protect your marriage. Now I go protect you. Now I go protect property. Now you go protect whether una separate or how they do, and now you go protect them. So government need for know, because now the law get to protect you. But if the law not get to protect you, then you go remain for in-law their hand. In-law they mean I wanna know say some in-law they do things that they want them. Even for property, they go take them all for you. So this one, it don't make people they may they understand say, why una don't do that thing? Una go back. Yes, una go back go talk. And no say plenty people then they outside the way, plenty women the way, they don't pay money for their head, but their man they never get marriage certificate. Now opportunity this for una for come go to the council. Go talk am. Me they put that in there. Some man they go strong head for no calm. But if the man they strong head, now opportunity this now way, una go talk say how we go do this thing. Who don't marry me? Family don't can say yes, we don't take bride price for this man. So the man no get choice. The man must come for day. Because they go someone need me come. Because that's so it get to be. We will not forget the customary court day for country. But that customary court will not be don't ever know the use for the court. Now whether this one go make we again we can understand the use for this thing. I did talk because I did cancel people that are marriage and family. And this particular thing don't over day for day, plenty. So I'm glad say this thing now it don't count or make people they understand and say, na so this law day. And na so people they get to do am. So all the young people that now they want to go married, if they come, we go for house and family to family, they pay bride price. No say with that bride price alone, where they don't pay them, you don't already marry. Carry them, go talk for go notify. Go notify for registry, for civil registry. Go there, go notify them when they have a council. Go there, go notify them, say, now this thing not happen. They go write them down. They will tell you when I'm waiting for do. They go write every information down. Code on approve. When I get pick, no money do this picture. There's no day. Pictures and approve. For sure say this thing don't be done. So you get time like it be don't pass. Where your man the ton because I don't get cases the way person don't go married man, go pay bride price. Then come out say no one that married again. After no one that married again, go marry another woman. Then they go make marriage certificate of the other woman. Now, the man don't come out, don't can die. They claim say now he be married now one woman. But meanwhile, he don't pay bride price for another one. Traditionally, he don't marry that woman. If that woman too did die for most of our culture, then they will talk say they never back bride price for your head. So go bury her. They'll carry say me go bury her for your master place. We mean that we understand say some cops and they deny that the people they start fight on top. Because they say they be married to you, they never give back bride price. This woman, now still a woman, must take and come back for camera. Wait, they don't separate sins. So this one too go make a lot of us go can't get sense. A lot of people they go get sense for time for do the things rightly. And it don't help me woman the way they be the suffer for back. We don't pay something for their head. Their man they need want any book. Because we need that book. Now that book go back una. If the man no day, in case of death, in terms of property, all those things there. Now that book the got una. So una must do them. So now some good thing where government don't make them again me the thing can. So I can't for sensitize we enough. Say this thing is so idea. Now, I go talk to for people then two they do for one man country. Plenty they do for one man country. Why I go talk to a place they do for one man country? Because people in for one man country, they send people they were down there when I go married, now go make married, they don't go pay bride price. You don't go pay bride, don't marry. You can't stand for you say, okay, we don't go married bride price. They go tell you no, we don't make bride price, you be my woman. But get document for show say my woman no, you know they. So now opportunity this way don't come. For say if your man don't do this thing, so you get to go now for go notify them. And now So other thing the way we must understand am, because that law again it touch people the way they dey for white man country small, because something the way we dey do am ignorantly. Now you don't forget say when you come for white man country, you dey for some country, that country no be your own, but sometimes that country get Cameroon embassy. Now Cameroon embassy na so una country that way e dey for that country. For instance, you dey for France, Cameroon embassy dey for there, or dey for Belgium, Germany, Cameroon embassy dey for there. Now where it means say if you come meet us on your woman too for here, una decide say una go make na civil marriage, una go make na court as well, put and say court marriage for here. Una don't go dey for Germany, you don't go na for German court, una make am. You don't go, you don't hold a certificate for your hand say you don't marry, you get legally backing. Now I go remind una say, though you hold that certificate for your hand, when it come to property get am for that country, they no go still hold you. Oh. You never be legally married though. Because your government no know am, the country never know am. You know am na for the place where you stay. If na for Germany, you know am, they know am for Germany. German government know am. If na for Belgium, Belgian government know am. If na America, American government know am. But now the thing I say, Cameroon government know am. When na for Cameroon to be Cameroonian, na for Cameroon you go be. So one of the things that we get to understand and say, and when the law make we for understand and say, the moment you don't marry, you get this marriage certificate. What you go do and say, you get to take them again. You go now again for embassy or for consulate. Where there for your Cameroon embassy or consulate. You get to go show them again. Me they transcribe them for you so that they will put them on system. Say you don't marry, then they'll give you a Cameroon marriage certificate too. Again, they'll transcribe them. They'll give them for your hand. Will be important. Now that marriage now where you know now say you don't be legally married for your country self. Where you carry the show them in your book. But most often, when you know do am, then something can happen, that can come out, you go for down there, you talk say you be done married, you want bring marriage certificate. Who know am? No man no know am. Cameroon government no know am. Your country no know the thing. So you end up for side where you deal with them. If we look and well, we go understand and say, even for people there, they dey for white man country. When you don't marry for Cameroon, you come out your marriage certificate. They tell you say take and go back for their embassy. You will go back for their embassy, they certify them. Before you bring them for their country. Before now, they go issue another marriage certificate for their country. Say you be done married. Based on the one where you get. And so when we see them, would you do that one for people that dey for here? But when they forget saying that same procedure when get to do them for their country. Or we forget for do them. But now, it don't tell them who do them because now why that some people they need can't get benefits. Now why that at the get problem there for where at the try for solve them for your way, it concern that this person don't die. They start fight property. Some woman they lost all things, not get anything because the man be put the property now for his name. The woman name not be there. Yes, now so, but the woman be getting back and say he married the man. But now the woman can't discover and say they don't know the man because the marriage will be married, they never see the marriage. So if he lost the property, get them for that side. For here, he go get all things for here because of the system. But when you go for Cameroon, how you go get them for there? So now some simple thing where embassy need to deny them. You just need for carry them, you go for embassy or you go for consulate. Consulate will transcribe them and give you another one. It just there like when we born Peking, where most people that have a diaspora, they don't know them. You don't be come on, I don't carry you born Peking for this place. That Peking get a birth certificate for the country they born them. Whether not for Italy or not for which side, or now for Belgium, you get birth certificate. Now your duty as Cameroonian, for take that birth certificate they don't give you, you go with the Cameroon embassy. Go say, I get Pikino. Now the birth certificate is, they go say you bring the birth certificate. When you bring this birth certificate, they go take that birth certificate, they transcribe them, they give that Peking Cameroon birth certificate. So that when they give that Peking Cameroon birth certificate, now for that Peking fit come for Cameroon, he make his own ID because he get birth certificate. You know if he can take that birth certificate we come on for Belgium or come on for France, when a French birth certificate, na German birth certificate, say one make birth certificate, can make ID for day. They not go accept them. Because when it shows you be Cameroonian, the two it shows you be Cameroonian, that birth certificate don't born you, you get them. Now it shows you be Cameroonian. But most of us for diaspora, we need to do them. We need to do them. We never go for embassy, we go notify saying now this thing, this, me the game. It's important for that Peking in life. Because now that Peking go come out, you born Peking, you don't be for here. Yes, you be papa, you be Cameroonian, you be mommy, you be Cameroonian. But that Peking, it get na different nationality. It birth certificate na different thing. All things are different thing. If one come for Cameroon, you know if he get property. For if you get property, bottlenecks go big, you can no go see like Cameroonian. So most of these things then we get to understand say we must do am. We get to stand for the do am. So in as much as this marriage thing don't come up, when there's some very important and vital thing for we for take and do am, at the back when I say una understand, they don't help say for cut una expenditure. People the way that they married, you don't need for go make traditional marriage. After I don't pay bride price, you come out again, carry yourself, you make occasion, carry yourself again, go make another occasion, say na court wedding. All those things are not be necessary now. It not be necessary. I want men we understand something where they like a lot of people they don't understand now. Marriage now one, no be three, as well would you look at. Now one, no be three. Because they go tell we say you get to make traditional marriage, you get to make court marriage, you come out get to go make church marriage. Now, no be now one marriage. Bible when we talk and Bible talk na say Bible recognize marriage now which one? Now the one way you the two families that they meet, they pay bride price for your head based on the rules and the tradition and custom for your land. When the family get authority for give pikin and say the one don't marry, now family get the authority for put them together. A man they live in house, he go get another woman, go for another get another woman. The two shall become one. Then they become now families that they join them, put them together. So marriage, when they say don't marry, now that traditional marriage, where they pay bride price, the exchange of that bride price, now that tradition, and when for that traditional don't exchange bride price, where you take the name for the man. Without bride price, you need to take that name. Now from there, where you don't do, I mean say the family don't take their pikin, hand them for you, say take this pikin now. Take Elizabeth. Mira Elizabeth now, in name now, it be Elizabeth. But since I be na Elizabeth Nyanti. Now, that Nyanti when our family, it don't come now for your family. That name now, that Elizabeth now, it could be na Elizabeth, if it be Elizabeth Ashu. Now you be, your name be na Ashu. Now, don't say, okay, now Elizabeth. It be na Elizabeth Nyanti. Now, you don't turn out to Elizabeth Ashu. Now, why that even when you don't marry, you take your marriage certificate. When you take your marriage certificate, you go back for police. Go make your ID. They get to put your name for the way they will either put a push this person or they put name for English this person. Now, why that they do it for Cameroon? Who understand say it don't come out from this family. It did not for this family. So we must understand these small things there. Because all this we only understand and now they can give you confusion afterwards. We will not know the direction the way we go. So this thing be very vital and be very important. Say, may we look at for this particular dimension. So this thing that way government don't try for reiterate and now fine thing. May we always come back and understand them. Say now so the process day. Mommy then they my brothers and sisters then they don't pay bride price for their head. Where they cry every day with their master. Say go make me marriage certificate or we go see what this thing their master the tongue and say they not get money. We no fit go sign for court. We no get money. We no fit go sign for court. Now lie. That business will go sign for court. We no get money no day again. We not just come out with that picture there. Go for day. We not go for civil registry. Go for council. Say we don't do traditional marriage. Oh. Now this thing we don't do. Now this thing we don't do. Now this thing we don't do. We not show the proof and they go register them for una. Then they put them for 30 days. Notification. After that, they will give una the certificate. So all that thing they say that money no dey this one again. You know therefore you not need for call people that give me the catch up. So if you there for that state, mommy wake up for chair. Tell your master una wake up una go do this thing. If master no one go una go, some master they go strong head because they know what they will do. They no go one go because they know exactly what they will do. But now so they no get choice, so then go. You know say one go transcribe am. Council go see ask una say now which kind of marriage una be married am. Una mind na polygamy, una mind na monogamy. They go ask una again for day. So una decide that one for una to go for that particular place. Una must decide that. Because this thing is important thing there. Because I don't get some case where the man married the woman. In fact, they stay a lot, do a lot of things together, but na traditionally paying a bride price. After that, they can get some small separation. Small argue they separate. You know, they separate. He married to another woman. He go take his small man, marry them. The woman gets sent, the judge go court one time, make all thing. Now the man don't go. Wait till happen. The small woman, I get marriage certificate, he kick the other big one for house, I mean, I even do all thing for house. Law not there for back up the woman. You know they. So some things and the way we get to do them for protect ourselves. Those small law they for the country say, well, you don't stay with man consecutively for some years. They'll classify at least law the hold the man responsible for certain things. But this one a marriage. And when they don't really pay bright price for your head. We not get to shit also. So time don't reach way. I think say we get to stand up. Woman they get to stand up. Man picking it down a corner when I be do am first time. When I just go keep some man so you don't go pay some small thing for person head. Then carry keep am. The worker enjoy a life for different side. You know they again. You know they again. You like you want run. That woman go for cancer. And if you know one come, they go see someone you come. You go ask them why you go pay bright price. Then you know one can take certificate. As you don't pay the bright price, you don't marry it, they will give the certificate. You don't pay no. You don't go pay bright price. Family don't can testify, so you don't pay bright price. Certificate go come. You be don't go follow the rule. So, nothing do I say, ma talk small today. Ma create awareness. I beg. Una make sure say una send this video, una share this video for many people. Una go for I was upload them on YouTube. Una go for that YouTube account. Una share them with many people. Send them for una picking them, una mami them. I talk for this language. Say this one now. All man must know. All man must know this particular thing. All man must know. It don't affect a lot of people. Una share them. Una share them. Me people that know and me people that understand them. If someone want more counsel, more on this particular thing, then they go contact me. But remember, say this time, it no go be for free. I don't wait till I get to do them. But you contact me for details. I will tell you, wait till I tell you. I thank you very much. May God bless you now. Amen.